are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more unclear words in English. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce it in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as audacious. You do want to stress on the second syllable, on the day syllable. Audacious. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as audacious. Audacious in American English versus audacious in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.